Alright, yo, what's going on, everybody? We're back with another anime opening and ending from the season. Today we got Chainsmoker Cat. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. I don't know nothing about this show. Go. That's Heisenberg. Is that a reference to that? Are these references, bro? What the? Why is she in court? That has to be a reference. That has to be a reference. That has to be a reference. What the fuck is going on? Elite blunt rotation? Or I guess sig rotation? I have no idea what the hell is going on. Why am I checking this out? What is going on? Why am I checking this out? $3401. What is that? Is that the unit number? Okay. That's gonna be in my nightmares. That's gonna be in my nightmares, okay? What the hell is this frame shot? I just wanted to check this out because it was a big opening that people have been checking out. So I was like, you know, let me just check it out, see what's going on. And I don't regret it. It was pretty good. It was just weirdness. It was definitely unique, I'll say that. It wasn't bad. Let's check out the ending. Go. No, it's Unit 204. I don't know what's 3401. I don't know what that is. I like the art style for this one. I recognize this artist. Yeah, that's just, this anime is just smoking. It looks like a slice of life. I fuck with it. Health benefit. Did it say health benefits? Song wise, I like this one a bit more. I like the visuals for this one a lot too. Usually, a lot of new anime don't put as much effort into the ending. Many shows in general. Visually speaking, I mean. But this one definitely put a lot of effort into it. It just looks like a squad, bro. The girls. I haven't not much anything else to say, yeah, it was cool. Don't know what else, but I'll see you on the next one. Peace.